Okay, whoever is single, please approach here. Just now, we're going to do the traditional garter. But for now, sir, kailangan muna nating tanggalin ang garter sa legs ni Ma. Okay? Sir, but you have to do it this way. You're going to dance. Coming to her, then you're going to get the garter on her left leg using your teeth. Okay? Can we do this, Sir Michael? Music, maestro. Sasalo. Sir Marlon and friends, can you help me here? I need single men. Okay? Our friends. Sir! Yes, for the love of the game. Kayo po pala single, sir. Halika na!
for choosing me as one of your ninang. Siya po ay aking eskwela sa elementary, grade 1. So, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. I wish you a lifetime of love and happiness. May your love grow forever. Thank you.
The message from our couple, Sir Michael. Ma'am Marilyn, please take center stage while waiting for Sir Michael. I guess everyone really had enjoyed this night, and even if it's a different wedding from our common weddings that we attend to, I guess this is a new experience. Especially for me, this is another experience for me to host a different kind of wedding. Aside from the traditional Filipino wedding. We all know that Filipino wedding is the same, a happy and an enjoyable, but this one is really different, and I will cherish this for the rest of my life. And now, let's hear the messages from our lovely couple.
Gusto mo ba yan? Ito yung bill namin. Kaya mag-a-attempt tayo. Okay. You read. I make this for you, so you need to read.
Hi, good evening to all of you guys who spent your time just to go here on our special day. I would like to tell you guys the story of our journey with my mom. Don't worry, it's only a short story. Well, I just want to tell you how we first met. Hi, Mom. The first time I saw you at the Resort World, I was so nervous that time because I don't know you yet. I don't know if you are the bad guy or a good guy, but while we were talking, I've noticed that your smile and the way you talk make me smile, and I was very happy that time. And I don't know why, the next time that we met, I was surprised because you asked me if I wanted to be with you or to go with you, or to go with you.
And also asking if you...
And you also asked me if I don't like it, it will be okay. But I realized that you look like a nice person because you asked me if I want or I don't want to be with me. Apparently not. Then she answered, yes, sure. Then after that I brought my things in the hotel, and you were sweet that time because you gave me a cup.
And that's what is spicy. And that's what my favorite food. Then after 1 month, we've been together. I'm planning to give you a surprise dinner because for me, Manzarin anniversary is very important for me. I prepare a simple dinner with the candle lights on the floor. Remember that? And a big paper with a happy Mansari. Before that, I was worried because I text you and you mentioned that you will be there at 10 minutes. But after 10 minutes, while I'm standing holding the paper, he's still not there. But I text you again. But after another 5 minutes, you're still not there. But when I open the door, instead of I was surprised because you have a gift for me. And also, you cried because you told me that no one did that to you. And admire you for that. And I want to tell you this, Moppy. This is also my first time that I met a guy like you. Like you. You cry not because you afraid, but you cry because you appreciate things. And that is a reason why we are still here and still loving each other. I remember that time that I told you I was pregnant. And I forgot, I cannot forget your face that time. Because I was on your face. I saw you. Because I saw on your face how happy are that time when you are here, the good news. Then Max came into, and also with John, that accepted him like your truly son. I'm so happy and proud of you because you're always there for us. You're doing your best as a father and a partner. Then I met your family. I am so happy because they are also accept me as your wife. The first time I was met them, I was so nervous because I thought that they don't that. Ikaw ba kasi? Kasi naman haba eh. Ginusto ko to, di ba? Asan yung person? Dad! Hi! 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 You're there! Go back here! No. Yeah. The first time that I met them, I was so nervous because I thought that they would not like me. I'm wrong because like you, they are also nice and kind and I'm very happy because I met them and thank you for accepting me as your daughter-in-law. And I just want to thank you guys who are here, to my friends and in-law, Ninong and Ninang, to my family, and who always there for me, and to my kids. Also to my kids, I love you, both of you. Mama and Papa are always here for you. I want to tell you guys this. I promise that I will love this man more than I love myself. I will give everything to make him happy, and I will love him for the rest of my life. We will make more happiness together with our kids. I'm happy and proud that we are get married again for the second time, and I'm so happy to say that I am now a Miss Bendimesh. Thank you everyone. And I'm ready. I hope you like it, guys. Guys. Mama. Dalawa na mama ko. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. We have captured some of the memories on the special day, and I hope, of course, that the couple will stay forever. And as the saying goes, no, dapat you will not sleep angry at both each other every night. You have to say, I love you. You have to communicate with each other. That's how marriage works. So even if you quarrel, sometimes it is necessary for you to patch up before you go to sleep and say, I love you always. So yun po, that is marriage, and they have took both of their hands and joined as one. And to the parents, of course, of our groom, to Sir Jack Van de Mas and to Ma'am Anne Van de Mas, thank you very much for raising beautiful, a handsome son with a beautiful heart. Okay? And once again, let's clap our hands for our lovely couple. This is your Master of Ceremonies. I am Sassy Flores, and I am wishing you all a safe trip to our destinations. Thank you very much.